When drawing noses, I divide it into two parts: the nose bridge and the nose itself. The nose bridge is technically the bony part of the nose, but for this, I also mean the rest of the tube. This usually has triangle on its side connecting it with the cheek, but this feature can be very subtle on some faces. The actual nose is divided into three parts: the nose bulb and the nostrils on the side. The nose bulb is the most protruding part of the nose and connects with the nose bridge and the philtrum. The nostrils connect to the side, forming some sort of tent. When drawing it in 3/4 angle or in side profile, I would draw a line outlining the nose bridge, which then curves into the nose bulb. Then, I'll draw the nostrils on the side. Drawing it on a frontal view, the nose bridge isn't that important when sketching, so I focus on the bottom of the nose, which is the most visible part since it has the nose holes and is usually in shadow. Different noses have different features depending on a lot of factors, so I would heavily suggest looking for different references and breaking them down shape by shape. Then try to recreate them on your own, and then compare them with the original photo. Goodbye.